When you first look at the Rainio Air 3 South Pro, they don't scream for attention. They don't flash neon lights or try to look overly futuristic. Instead, they sit there, quietly, almost too calmly, like a piece of tech that knows exactly what it can do, and doesn't need to shout about it. But the moment you put them on, your entire perception of portable displays begins to shift. These glasses don't just show you a screen. They create a world, your own private cinema, your personal gaming theater, your portable workstation floating right in front of your eyes. And after using them for quite some time, I can confidently say their minimal appearance hides a lot more power than you'd expect. Before we dive deep into what these glasses can actually do, here's the first shocker. During the Black Friday and Cyber Monday sale, November 20th to December. First, they dropped to just $249 for something that offers this level of immersion. That price alone makes you raise an eyebrow. But a good deal means nothing without good performance. So let's open the box and find out what you're really paying for. When you crack open the package, you're greeted with a simple, clean layout. No unnecessary fluff, no wasted space. Inside the outer box sits the official Air 3 South Pro packaging. It feels premium in that understated way, the kind where a brand lets its product speak for itself. Open the lid, and right on top, you're met with the user manual. Straightforward, easy to read, and actually helpful, none of that vague, half-translated text you sometimes get with tech accessories. Next to it, you get a soft cleaning cloth essential if you want to keep the lenses looking crisp, a replacement nosepad, the prescription lens frame. The frame itself is just a placeholder. If you actually need prescription lenses, those have to be ordered separately. Some people won't mind, but others might find that inconvenient. Still, it shows that the brand considered users with vision needs instead of ignoring the problem entirely. You also get a compact carrying case. And honestly, I love this thing. It's firm enough to protect the glasses, but slim enough to slide easily into a backpack. It's the kind of case that feels built for travel, and that makes sense, because these glasses were clearly designed for people who move around a lot. Inside the case, of course, you'll find the glasses themselves, resting neatly as if they're waiting for your next adventure. The last thing in the box is a USB-C data cable. But this isn't just a charging cable, remember. These glasses have no internal battery. This cable is what connects them to your smartphone, laptop, tablet, or even your gaming console. Plug them in, and they power up instantly. No setup, no syncing, no Bluetooth dancing, just plug-and-play simplicity. And that's everything you get. Clean, minimal, practical. Now it's time to talk design, and this is where things get interesting. The Air 3 South Pro has a kind of futuristic simplicity to it. It looks like a pair of sunglasses you might wear on a bright day only. Slightly bulkier due to the tech hidden inside. But even with all that hardware, they come in at around 76 grams. That's shockingly light. In fact, when you start wearing them, the lack of battery actually becomes a blessing. There's no extra weight pressing on your nose or ears, and no heat buildup from internal electronics. They rest comfortably, even during long sessions. The frame is a matte plastic that feels soft to the touch, with a smooth finish that doesn't pick up fingerprints easily. The temples are flexible, giving you a snug but not tight fit. And the adjustable nose pads are a lifesaver if you plan on watching movies, gaming, or working for extended periods. They help the glasses stay balanced so the image doesn't shift when you move. Then there are the control buttons along the side. These tiny switches give you instant control without touching your phone or laptop. Volume adjustments, brightness control, mode switching, it's all right there at your fingertips. And the best part is how intuitive everything feels. You don't have to memorize complicated gestures or navigate hidden menus. The buttons just work. But none of that matters if the display doesn't deliver. And trust me, this display is the star of the show. Inside the glasses, you get a Huda .0 tandem OLED panel. If that doesn't sound familiar, don't worry, here's what matters. It looks stunning. The brightness pushes up to a crazy 1,200 nits. For comparison, most high-end laptops don't even reach that. Even outdoors or in harsh lighting, the screen looks sharp and vivid. Colors pop, blacks look deep and rich, whites look clean. And then there's the refresh rate, 120 Hz. If you're a gamer, you already know why that matters. Smooth motion, zero jitter, no ghosting. Even videos look more lifelike when the refresh rate is this high. And if you're sensitive to brightness, You'll appreciate the 20 levels of brightness adjustment and the 5 color modes. Whether you want more saturation, more warmth, or a perfectly neutral color profile, you can dial it in effortlessly.
Ow.
The display also uses 3840 Hz high-frequency dimming. That means your eyes stay relaxed even when watching content for hours at a time. There's no flicker, no strain, no headache creeping in after long use. STO certification basically confirms that your eyes are safe during marathon sessions. And one more feature you might not expect: lens adjustment. This is huge. You can tweak the distance between the lenses to match your own interpupillary distance. The result: crisp, distortion-free image that stays centered and stable. So whether your eyes sit wide apart or closer together, the glasses adapt to you.